Behind me is a beautiful Rambler, fully finished basement. You're gonna love what's inside. It's totally decked out. And let's go to drone shot really quick to give you a better view of the house and to show you a little bit of the neighborhood and surrounding area. And remember, you can find all the details for this house in the description below. Okay, so you can see you got a beautiful Rambler here. You're on the corner, so you don't have a next door neighbor, and you got great views. This is a quiet neighborhood because you're literally at the end of the road. So if you're a nature lover, you like hikes, jogging, riding dirt bikes, all that stuff, you can just head up the hill right there. But let's go ahead and step inside this house. I'm excited to show you all the great things that they've done. They've made tons of improvements on this house, and I think it's the best value in the area. Okay, so you have the family area there in front of you. You have the stairs going down to the finished basement, and bedrooms and bathrooms down the hall that way. But let's look at this area first. You can see nice wide open floor plan here. Got tall vaulted ceilings here. Let's step over here really quick to give you kind of a feel and a view from this direction here, looking back towards the front door there. In this section here, you have your entrance to the garage, and you have your laundry area. Let's go ahead and show you the laundry area here. So you can see they got some cabinets there. You got your washer and your dryer right here. And then you have a 2-car garage. Just give you a quick view here. So once again, you got your family room here. Got room for a nice big TV, ceiling fan, nice big windows. And this kitchen is awesome. I think you'll like what they've done here. Got a gas stove here. And then here's your food pantry. You can see plenty of room there for everything. Nice big corner pantry. Island right there. So you can see, even when you're in the kitchen, like, you can be part of the family there, or if you have friends over. You got your dining area right here. And the refrigerator stays. Look at that refrigerator. Isn't that awesome? I'll take it. We'll step out back here in a second. So again, I want to give you a view from all angles of this house. So you can see how amazing it is. Beautiful floors. The home is well taken care of. Stepping out to the back here, you can see there's some space here along the side. This awesome table is actually going to stay. And you got this big backyard here. And look how cool this is, guys. So this house comes with a lot of things that you're not gonna find in other homes that are available. If you're comparing this new home construction, one thing to remember is that this already has the yard in. These owners have added tons of great features to the house that you get to keep. So if you decide to go through home construction, you're gonna have to put like a yard and all those other things in your budget. So once again, stepping in from the back door, just wanna make sure I gave you a full view of this kitchen. And let's finish the upstairs before we head to the basement. Okay, so you got a bathroom head there, but first you got bedroom number 1 right here. Master bedroom ahead, we'll check that out in just a second. This is bedroom number 2. Or you can call it an office if you so desire, like you see here. Those cool shoes up there. Okay, then you can see here, you got a bathroom on the main floor. You actually have a little coat closet, and then the master bedroom. And once again, you can see you get a nice vault in here as well with a ceiling fan, so that's cool. And we'll step in this corner before we check out the bathroom. So you can see here, plenty of room for dressers, a large bed, and a large TV. Okay, so coming into the master, you can see here you've got plenty of closet space. You got a nice wide countertop there, shower, and then your toilet area. That's basically the upstairs. Let's check out the master bedroom from this angle though. And let's head on down to the basement. You guys are going to love this basement. Guaranteed. It's amazing. Look how awesome this is. You're gonna love when I get a little closer to the other end of this room. So you can see there's plenty of room to do, you know, game area, have all the parties down here. Look at the TV setup here, guys. Like, I don't know, I'm not a huge TV person, but you can watch all the movies and everything down here. Play video games, have the friends over, eat lots of yummy candy. Okay, so stepping in the corner this way, you can see plenty of space for entertaining or for the family. This is just a storage area here. Got some stuff out of the way, but you got water heater and space to clear back that direction as well. You got space here underneath the stairs. Then you have an upgraded bathroom down here. And look how cool this bathroom is. It's a great bathroom. And you got like a little linen closet here. Bedroom number 4 in the house. And got closet space here. That's a huge bed. you wouldn't normally have a bed that big. And then this is a little bit more standard size bed here, so it gives you a little bit better feel for the size and space that you get in these rooms. Please feel free to call or text me with your questions. I'd love to meet you, and I'm honored to serve you. If you have a friend or a family member looking to buy a home, you can easily text this video to them. And please, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and ring the bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Remember, you can find me on Instagram at Ty, the Real Estate Guy. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that little bell below. It'll make you feel good.